Welcome to Math Beyond Borders. Mathematics Simplified. Welcome geniuses. So in today's video, let's have a look at the transfer method of solving an algebraic equation. Now we did the reduction method before, in which we have to take the same action on both sides to isolate the variable. Transfer method is, if you understand it, it's much simpler. Under transfer method, all you need to remember is that if a positive number or variable goes to the other side of equals, it becomes minus, and if a negative number goes to the other side of the equations, it becomes plus. For multiply and divide, we will look at it later. Okay, so let me show you how. Let me take that off so that we have some space. Now let's have a look. Now as you see, 3 plus x equals 7. Right? Now I know I have to isolate the variable. That concept stays the same. We have to keep x on this side and we have to take this 3 to the other side. Now 3 is a plus number here, so when it goes to the other side it becomes a minus number. So x equals 7 minus 3. So x equals 4. Right? So whether you do the reduction method or you do the transfer method, you will get the same answer. You will just have, in many cases, you will have just one step less to take in this case. That's it. Okay, so let's look at the other one now. So x minus 5 equals 2. Now it's a minus number here, minus 5, right? And as you remember, the sign reverses as it goes to the other side. So when I take this 5 to the other side, it becomes x equals 2 plus 5. So this minus 5 becomes plus 5. Yeah, you see that it changed the sign. So now, which means x equals 7, right? Sign changes. Now let's have a look at multiplication case, and then we will move on and look at the division case as well, right? So 3x equals 21. And now I see they are multiply here together, right? If you remember, I told you that 3 times a equals 3a. Yeah, we always write the variable after the number before, always, right? So in this case, 3x technically means 3 times x. So what is the opposite of multiply? It's divide. So what that means is when I take this 3 to the other side, it becomes a divide, which means x equals 21 divided by 3. Now here it was a multiply, and as you can see, when it goes to the other side, it becomes a divide, right? So x equals 7. You can pause the video and try it yourself. Okay, I'm sure you got the right answer, but let's do it together. So now I have to take the 7 to the other side and make it a divide. So x equals 35 divided by 7. So x equals 5. I hope you got the same answer, right? Okay, so let's move on to the division. Let me quickly clear the screen up. So now the last case is of divide, and that's why you see I put the variable in both divisor and dividend and divisor, so that we can have a look at it together. Okay, so 15 divided by x equals 3. Now in this case, yes, when this x will go to the other side, it will become 15. Let's not take 15 to the other side. That will always cause issue. Now we can simply just flip it. Yes, you remember, whenever the variable is in the second position, you can flip this like this. So it will become 15 divided by 3 equals x. So 5 equals x. Okay, there is another way of looking at it, but that will make it slightly difficult. If you want, I can try to show it to you. So let's have a look. So let's say it would have been like this, and we did not resort to flipping. So what that will mean is that first I will have to take this x to the other side, because it's a divide here, right? So 15 will be equal to 3 times x, which will be 3x. Yeah, and now to get rid of this 3, I have to divide both sides with 3. So I will do it like this. So I will get 5 equals x. So you still get the same answer, just that if you have this, just flip it. That's the easier way of looking at it. Okay, and now in this case, now guys, look at it very carefully. What is the now we need to get rid of this section. Yes, it's a divide number. So what is the opposite of divide? Multiply, which means when it goes to the other side, what will happen? It will become a multiply. So x equals 3 times 15, and again it's times, this one is multiply, yeah, not x. So x equals 45. Easy, right?
Thank you for learning with us. Please share the video with those who you think may need it. Also, if you want to request a topic, put that in the comments section. So until the next video, keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.